How to remove background from an image in PicsArt. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to easily remove the background from an image using the PicsArt app on your Android. So without any delay, let's just get started. First of all, make sure you have the PicsArt app installed on your Android device. If you don't, you can just head over to the Google Play Store and download it for free. Once it is installed, you can look up for the image. You can select the image you want to remove the background from by browsing your gallery. And once you have selected the picture, on the bottom you can find different editing options. So in order to remove the background, you can look up for this remove background option, which is right in the bottom and the fifth option right here. This one right here, go ahead and tap on it, and it will automatically detect and remove the background from your image, and you will see the main subject of your photo left on a transparent background. If you're happy with the result, you can just move on to the next step. You can use the brush tool to fix any areas manually. So if there are any edges that needs a little touch up, you can just go ahead and use that in order to remove it. And after that is done, click on right, and you can just save it on your device. So once you're happy with your picture, you can go ahead and apply it. But in order to export it, you need to have a premium version. Only the premium version of the particular application lets you save the image to your gallery. So if you don't have the pro version, you can just go ahead and update the plans of theirs, and that is it. You have successfully removed the background from your image in PicsArt on Android. So if this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.